How to reset your ChatGPT password. If you'd like to reset your ChatGPT password, maybe because you forgot it, first go to chatgpt.com. Here you can see the option called login or sign up. Now, to reset our password, normally if you remembered your password, you would go to the login button. Then from the login button, you would enter your email address and then your password. Or if you forgot your password, but you had linked your account with Google, Microsoft or other accounts, you would be able to enter them. But if you forgot your password, just make sure to enter the email address of your account, then hit the continue button. It will ask you to enter the password. You just have to click on the forgot password link, then just click on continue. And when you click on it, it's going to send a verification code to your email. So make sure you log into the correct email and you can see your ChatGPT reset code. Then simply copy that code and then simply take it to the code box and paste it, then hit the continue button. Now you can enter a new password without having to remember your old password. That's all it takes for us to reset your ChatGPT password. I hope the video helped you. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thanks for watching and see you soon in the next video.